It's like all creamer. Hi guys, I am back. I haven't posted a video in I think over a month now. All of June was just a lot of travel and really crazy, and I was with my family, so I just didn't really want to have to worry about editing and posting and everything. I just wanted to be in the moment with my family. I filmed a little bit of it, but not like enough to go into one vlog, so here's some of those clips, but it's not like anything crazy. The past 2 weeks we were in Nashville and then Gatlinburg and then Asheville and then Nashville again, and then this weekend me and Kira drove 13 hours back to Florida, and she's gonna be hanging out with me for the week, and then on Friday we're leaving again to go to California and meet up with the rest of the family. So lots of travel, lots of fun stuff happening this summer, but I'm finally back. I'm back, baby. The drive back was like, I was already really emotional because I had to say goodbye to my family. I was also on my period, so I was already hormonal, and I was crying a lot, but I could kind of keep it together a little bit. And then the second day we stopped at this gas station, totally chill. We were gonna get slushies because we never get slushies. We were like, okay, yeah, let's do something fun. Let's get slushies. As we're walking out the door, there's this kid that looks just like Ethan, maybe like a year older. He looks just like Ethan, and he had this little like confused look on his face, like he was looking for something, and I'm sure he was just looking for something, like nothing was wrong, but I lost it. Like I ran to the car and I started sobbing because I don't know why, he just reminded me of Ethan so much, and the facial expression that he had, like,
you were crying like not even only that day, but like the next day also.
Yeah, I was crying the next day too. I
just remember that kid.
I could not stop crying about this kid. I don't know why. He just reminded me of Ethan, and I was already really emotional. Like if his parents knew that I was just sobbing about him right now, they'd be like, what the heck? Like that is so weird. We're gonna try to readjust back into the schedule for the week, go grocery shopping. Today's the 4th of July, so I think we might go to the beach. We're just gonna see where the day takes us and kind of hang out. You guys, I'm literally the worst at remembering to use my reusable bag. I even put it in the front seat of my car so I wouldn't forget, and I forgot at both stores. I'm literally the worst at remembering. Really hot.
It is so hot out here.
we just got back from seeing Elvis. It was pretty good, I would say.
It was really good.
I think Austin Butler did an amazing job.
Yeah.
It was a good movie. The only thing is, I hated Tom Hanks's character.
His character was meant to be hated though, Reese.
Hated him. Like,
he's the bad guy.
He pissed me off every time his face came on the screen. I was like, go away. But other than that, I thought it was a great movie.
Even though he didn't look exactly like him, he still had like the exact same like presence.
The entire drive home, we were doing our little impression of Elvis. And I think we do a pretty good job at it.
Here, I'll say
Okay,
this.
you be Tom.
I'll be Tom and then you be Tom after. This has nothing to do with us.
This has everything to do with us.
That was actually not bad. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
I'm getting better at it.
This has nothing to do with us. This has nothing to do with us. Oh, this is everything to do with us. That was not good. This is everything to do with us. I go more and more.
This has everything to do with us.
That was pretty good.
If anyone wants to do a sequel, I can play
I
Elvis.
was Bobby, this has everything to do with us.